All right, welcome back, guys. So we are working on my Toyota Highlander. It's 2017 XLE V6, and I noticed that my outer tie rod end has a busted boot, and of course there's some vibration as I'm driving on a higher speed. So here it is. So the nut here is actually, you're gonna have to remove this pin right there. Once you remove the pin, just remove this 16 mm nut, and then you can loosen up this nut up here, which I believe is about 21. And then you just want to take your outer tie rod out, the count the rounds. I would say, like, count how many turns you have. So as you can see this position, so you start counting anti-clockwise, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and depending how many counts you have, then you want to do the same thread, installing back in, as in 1, 2, 3, and then you want to tighten up your adjustment nut. I mean the nut over there. I'm just giving you a summary what we're gonna do, and this is how you want to proceed in that manner. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this pin, loosen up the nut, and then take the tie rod out. Before I do that, of course, I want to loosen up the adjustment nut over here, and that's how I'm gonna do. So stay tuned. Thank you. All right, guys, just a quick update. So I kind of loosened it up, and this came packed out. It popped out. However, I loosened up this bolt, I mean the nut is 22 mm. So I just loosened up a little bit here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and start counting how many turns. Here we go. That's the 17 mm, actually, not 16. Apologize for that. So 17 mm nut came back out. I don't know where to go. Don't know where it went, but anyway, I'll find it. We're gonna take this tie rod out, and then we're gonna start counting anti-clockwise how many turn it has, so I can put the new one back in clockwise, counting the same turns. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and put this adjustment lock, tighten it up in the same spot, and then we should be good to go. All right, stay tuned, please. All right, guys, so we're doing side-by-side part comparison. Here's the part number, just in case we want to do it. I did it from the eBay. It came in a set of 2 from Detroit Excel. Is the part number right here. Now I'm gonna open this up. Let's see, I just need to open this quickly. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's the new part, sitting side by side. Here's the new pin that we're gonna put it back in, and we are ready to go ahead and install it. So by the way, just to let you know, when I took out, I had to have 13 turns in total. Okay, let's go back and install it back. All right, guys, so this outer tie rod has been installed. As you can see, I snuck the nut underneath, which is 17 mm, and the turns it took almost same, which is 13, and the adjustment nut here is snugged up, which is great. So it will be very minimal alignment that it's gonna need, which is good. Once again, gives us a thumbs up and like and subscribe. That's the same way to do on the other right passenger side. And please continue to give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and give us your comments and feedback, how easy or difficult it was for you. And if there's any other way that you have learned to do it, please let us know. Thank you so much for your support. And see you next time. Bye.